Good morning, teachers. I wanted to make a brief video for you so that you can get an understanding on how to start taking grades in your gradebook. Again, this is kind of a crash course just to get you started taking grades in your gradebook. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. I have the gradebook here on my status bar so I can easily access it. You're going to log in using your credentials. Okay, so now you guys are already familiar. You take your attendance here, and then you have like a little grade book, and then you have the little assignments. You want to always stay in the grade book section, and you can choose whatever course you want to start with. I'm going to start with my homeroom. I've already started taking grades for last week, so I want to insert a new grade for this week. So I'm going to go to the right side of my screen, and I see a paper with the plus sign, and that is for adding assignments. You're going to go ahead and click that. You have to title your assignment. I'm going to title my assignment Water Cycle. That's what we've been working on. The date that it was assigned, I'm going to say it was assigned on Monday. And the due date, you want to go ahead and have your due date about 2 to 3 weeks out, because if you make your due date, let's just say if it was assigned on Monday and you make your due date on Wednesday and you don't put a grade in the grade book, you will have um, it will um, it will mess up the percentage of the grades for that student. So if you ever want to go back and put a grade in, it will mess up the weight of it. So go ahead and just make it 3 weeks out, 2 to 3 weeks out. So I'm just going to make mine September 10th. Not saying you're giving them to September 10th, but you're giving yourself some time to put the grades in the grade book. For the description, you want to I'm trying to be as detailed as possible because parents can see this, and I just want a note to myself. So students describe the water cycle in steps or stages. 4 stages equals 100. $75 to equal 50. One equals 20. Now that's just for me as far as the grading process, so I can make sure that I stay on track for myself. Then I want to change it if it's a major or a daily grade, and it's going to be a daily grade. Daily grade. And then all the points and weights, they already stay there. Now, if you want to copy this assignment into your other courses, you can. Now you'll do it here. You can click copy, and then you can click the other courses that you want to add it to. Okay, so I'm going to add it to all 3 of my classes because this is 5th grade science. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click save. So now it appears here, and then I can just start putting my grades in here. Okay, and it automatically saves. Now if I want to go to another class, I will go to change, and then you can choose the class you want to go to. So I'm going to go to my other class, and you see the assignment is here as well. Okay, the assignment is here. If you look at my gradebook, I have some blank spots. That's because students hadn't turned in their work yet. You can I leave it blank because I messaged my students in Dojo and on Schoology, so I'm giving them another opportunity to put their grade, complete the assignment so I can put their grades in. I hope that was just a brief crash course for you, and I hope you are able to start inputting your grades. If you need additional support or help, please do not hesitate to email me or the grade master himself, Mr. Brogy. He will gladly help you with that as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and stay safe. Oh, I wanted to show you one other thing that's helped my life. I've made me a link in my status bar here, and it's all of my Google Meets links. So anytime we have meetings, all my links are right here. And again, I saved it to my status bar so I can easily access it at any time. I suggest you do the same because, again, look at how many links we have, and we don't want to ever miss any meetings. So you may want to do that. If you want further details on how, you can also email me as well. Again, have a great rest of your week and be safe.